In most cases, you can safely remove the clamps after 24 hours.
Okay, so we got the SG guitar kit up on the bench now. Now, this SG kit has no binding on the neck or the body, so much less chance of there being any issues with glue. But having said all of that, we will still inspect the body fairly carefully. The veneer is glued on, obviously, so there could be some issues around the edges. We'll have a look. So just inspecting the guitar here, I can definitely see some glue here. It looks like the veneer's lifted and it's been repaired, so we'll need to address that. Small amount of glue around here as well. Looks like there's been a crack repaired here as well. We'll need to have a look at. Otherwise, the guitar itself looks good. Beautiful quilted veneer top on this one. Okay, so we've identified a couple of areas with glue. So you see around this top horn here, for instance. So I'm going to give that a bit of a sand now. And try not to apply too much pressure because the veneers are quite thin on the edges of these guitars. It's coming away fairly easily. Come down to a lighter grade of sandpaper. The idea there is just to remove any marks left by the coarser grade sandpaper that we've used before. Just give the guitar a wipe down. And finally just clean up the actual work area. So remove any dust from the work area also.